This 2025 CrossRoads Zinger 18RK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 21 feet 5 inches in length and features a breezy beige interior, sleeps 3, self-contained, stovetop burner, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, TV antenna, microwave, awning, water heater, and 21 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 CrossRoads Zinger 18RK is 3,240 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.